Hi everyone, good afternoon. We're going to take a look at what's happening in the Mont Belvieu real estate market for March 2026 and what it means for you. Our inventory is up over 38% in Mont Belvieu, and that's changing everything for buyers and sellers right now. Hi, I'm Gaynell Blackshear with Blackshear Realty, and I'm going to break this down so you can make the best decision whether you're buying or selling. And if you're thinking about making a move, I do have a free relocation guide, and I'm always happy to walk you through your options, so feel free to reach out anytime. We're seeing three major things happening in the market right now. Inventory is rising, prices are stabilizing, and the market is becoming more balanced for both buyers and sellers. One of the most significant shifts we've seen in recent years is happening right now. More homes are coming on the market, prices are leveling off from where they were, and buyers are starting to see real opportunities again. Let's start with inventory because this is really the biggest story. There are 400 homes currently for sale in Mont Belvieu, and inventory is up over 38% compared to last year. That puts us at about 5.5 months of supply, which means we're moving towards a more balanced market. Buyers have more options, there's less competition, and multiple offer situations are becoming less common. Now, let's talk about prices. The median list price is sitting between $473 and $479, and homes are selling around $450,000. We're still seeing about a 2% increase year over year, so prices are still rising, but at a much more stable and predictable pace. That's actually a healthier market for both buyers and sellers. Now, homes are taking about 65 days to sell, which is slightly better than the Houston average. What that means is homes aren't flying off the market like they were before. Buyers have more time to evaluate and negotiate, and sellers need to be more strategic about pricing and presentation. The overpriced homes are sitting while the well-priced homes are still moving. Buyer demand is still there, but buyers are much more cautious now. We're seeing fewer bidding wars, more room for negotiation, and buyers taking their time to make smarter decisions. Interest rates are also playing a role. Rates started the month around 6.05% and moved closer to 6.6% with an average around 6.4%. Even small changes in rates can impact monthly payments, so timing matters more than ever. Buyers really need to stay prepared and ready to act when the right opportunity comes up. On the seller side, we're seeing more motivation. More homes are being relisted, and about 1 in 3 sellers are adjusting their price. That's a big shift. Sellers are becoming more flexible, and buyers are gaining more leverage in negotiations. When we look at the overall trends, we saw prices jump earlier this year from around $425,000 to $475,000, but year over year, growth has slowed to about 2%. The biggest change, and really the defining trend of this year, is inventory. That 38% increase is what's driving everything we're seeing right now in the market. So what does this mean for buyers? This is one of the best opportunities we've seen in a while. You have more homes to choose from, less competition, more negotiating power, and more time to make the right decision without feeling rushed. And for sellers, homes are still selling strong at strong prices, but the approach matters more than ever. Pricing correctly from the beginning, strong marketing, and being open to negotiation are key to getting your home sold. So here's the bottom line. The Mont Belvieu market is more balanced right now. It's not a buyer's market and it's not a seller's market. It's what we call a strategy market. The buyers and sellers who understand that and make smart decisions are the ones who are going to come out ahead. If you're thinking about buying or selling in Mont Belvieu, I'd love to help you navigate this market the right way. I can send you my relocation guide, help you understand your home value, or just talk through your options with you. Call or text me or use the link below to schedule a time with me. And if you want to stay ahead of what's happening in this market, make sure to like and subscribe. I share updates just like this every week. See you later.